tires are getting a little bald on the old Legacy. You can start to see a little wear on the outside here. So these babies are ready to be replaced. So for the first time, I'm actually buying tires from Amazon. So I decided to look and see what is available, and I found a set for this car for about $300. So this is how they arrived. They're nice new tires. They just strapped 2 and 2 together, and they look pretty nice. These are pretty good looking tires. It even says Sport right in the middle. Fullway is the brand on these tires, and this is a set of 225/40 R18s, which is slightly lower profile than my current tires. So we're gonna go a little smaller, try to improve gas mileage, but probably will have a little bit rougher ride. With the seats folded down, they fit in the back seat nicely. So there's all 4 ready to go to our local tire shop. I got the tires loaded up in the back, as you can see, and I'm headed down to a local tire shop. So I live in a very small town in eastern Washington, and I found a local guy that is going to mount and balance the tires for $80 for all 4, and he's going to dispose of my old tires for $4 a piece. So we're looking at about $96 to have these bad boys put on my current rims. So let's see how this goes. So here I am at Coyotes Tires, or Coyotes Tire Shop. I have an appointment with the guy. He's supposed to meet me here any minute. And I think I'm gonna hitch a ride home with these guys. Oh, what do you think? What do you think, huh? We just picked up the car and ready to take it for a test spin. It was really nice to use a local person to do the tires. So like I said, it was about $100 out the door to put the new tires on and to get rid of the old tires. So I'm just gonna go take it for a little test spin. So since these are the lower profile tires, I wanna see if the ride is a little bit stiffer. That's what I've heard. So my original tires were 225/50 R18s, and these are 225/40 R18s. Did I say 18? I meant 18 if I didn't say that before. So they're not a ton shorter, but they are a bit shorter. But they're supposed to increase your fuel mileage, and unfortunately though, then your ride is supposed to be a little stiffer. Got out to do a video so you could see how these shorter tires look, and it's too dark. Just taking her for a test spin here out on the highway. So here we go. So we're up to 70 miles per hour. Gonna go up to 75. And feels nice and smooth, so no complaints here. So feels like the tires were put on properly, and now we got new tires on the car. We're in at about $400, so it's about $300 with shipping for the tires, $100 for mounting and balancing with new tire disposal as well. So there we go, $400. We got new tires, and hopefully we're good to go for a while now. As far as the difference, it's hard to say because my old tires were a little worn out, but I definitely hear a little bit more road noise, which I read could happen with the shorter tires, the lower profile tires. So we'll have to see after I drive it a couple of weeks if that does indeed make a difference, and if I can tell the way the car drives and handles if those lower profile tires are causing any more road noise or a rougher ride. So here's how the tires look installed. They performed well, and they seem pretty nice. So we'll see how They hold up. $400 installed with tire disposal. Not a bad price for these tires here. So now the big question everybody will want to know, of course, is how do they hold up? How do they perform? And will I have any issues with them being lower profile or anything like that? So I will definitely keep you guys posted. This is November 2023. These are going on, so we'll see how they hold up as far as longevity, and if I have issues along the way, I'll post more videos. So please make sure you like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and please shoot me any questions you have and any concerns that you have as well, because we'll see how this goes. Thanks for watching, everybody.